Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics for your website step by step. Whether you are a beginner or just starting your first website, this guide will make it super easy for you. Google Analytics is one of the most important tools for any website owner. It helps you to see how many people visit your website and know where your visitors are coming from. Also understand which page they visit the most. So you will learn how long they stay on your site. So it will help you to make smart decisions to grow your website or business. So for setting up this, go to the Google and search for a Google Analytics. So this first link is the official page of Google Analytics. There are many other tools which will be used for the analytics, but many are the paid, and it is a completely free, or it is made by Google, so it connects easily with tools like Google Ads, Search Console and more. And it is very powerful even for a big business, but still easy enough for a beginner. So without wasting your time, so let's get started. Click on this link and you will go to the official page of Google Analytics. Once you are on Google Analytics homepage, you will see some information about what it is and how it works. Just click the button which says Start from today. Here you can just select Start Mining. Now the main setup is start. The first thing it asks for you is your account name. This can be your own name or your business name or anything you like. For example, I will just use my own name. Below that, you will see a few data sharing options. These are settings that let Google use some of your data to improve their tools. You can leave all of them as they are, as default setting, and just click next. Now the next step is the property setup. Now it's time to create your property, which simply means a website or app you want to track. Enter your property name. I will use my website name here. Now select your country time zone and click next to continue. Now the next step is the business details. Here you will need to provide some basic info about your business. Select your industry category from the list. I will choose the business as industry. Then choose your business size, how many people are working with you and how big your team is. Now click next. Here is the business objective. You will choose what's your main goal are with Google Analytics. You can choose one or more based on your goals. I want to access to all of these features, so I am selecting all the options. Then click create. Here you will see a pop-up. You can select your country and check this box and click on I accept. Now we are almost there. You will see a screen that says start collecting data. This is where you choose your platform. So you have three options: web for tracking a website, Android app if you have a mobile app, iOS app for iPhone and iPod apps. So since I want to track a website, I will choose a web. So this is the right option for me because I want to track how many visitors come to my website, where they go and what they do on my website. Now click on the web. Since we are setting this up for a website, you will need to enter your website URL here. So copy your website URL and paste it here and remove that starting protocol from it because it's already showing on the left side. You can select the correct one. If you have a SSL certificate, you can just select HTTPS. Next, give your stream a name. This can be anything, but I will just use my website name again. Then click on create and continue. Now you will see that your website has been added successfully. But here's the thing, that how does Google know this is actually your website? I mean, technically anyone could enter any website URL and add it to their account. So to confirm that you are the real owner of the site and to actually start tracking visitor data, Google needs verification. So let's do that now. Just click on the next and you will see the two options, install with the website builder and install manually. We will choose install manually. Once you click that, you will see a piece of JavaScript tracking code. This code is how Google Analytics track visitor on your website. As Google says, this code needs to be placed inside the head section of your site because the heads loads on every page. That way Analytics can track visitors no matter which page they are on. So what to do now is copy this entire snippet and go to your website dashboard. Now go to the plugins and add a new plugin. On the search bar, you can write WPCode. So basically WPCode is a lightweight and beginner-friendly plugin that lets you safely add a code snippets to your website without editing theme files. It's perfect for adding tracking codes like Google Analytics, Facebook, Pixel or any custom code. So just click on install and activate that plugin. Once activated, you will see a new menu in your dashboard called Code Snippets. Click on it and from the drop down, select Header and Footer. Now you will see a simple editor. In the header section, just paste the JavaScript tracking code you copied earlier from the Google Analytics and click Save Changes. And that's it. This code is now added to the head of every page of your website, so Google can start tracking your visitors across your entire site. Now go back to your Google Analytics dashboard. Just scroll down below the JavaScript code. You will see a button that says Test Connection or Test Installation. So from here you can just see a test option. Click that. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a green message or green button that confirms the connection is working. Like that, now it's showing green. That means Google Analytics is now linked and verified with your website. Now the important thing is, you can just keep in mind that you won't see a real-time tracking data right away. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours for Google Analytics to start collecting and displaying full data. But don't worry, it's working in the background. After a few hours, you can start checking your Google Analytics dashboard to explore insights like how many visitors come to your website, which pages are getting the most traffic, what countries your visitors are from, what devices they are using, mobile, desktop, and so much more. And that's it. You will now successfully set up Google Analytics for your website. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.